Hello, today we will guide you through how to export your QuickBooks Online company file to QuickBooks Desktop. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you are signed in to the correct company. This is important because any export you create will reflect the data in the company file you currently have open. Taking a quick moment to confirm you're in the right account can help prevent confusion later, especially if you manage more than one business. Once you are on the QuickBooks homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Settings icon. This is where many account tools and company-level options are located. Click on Settings to open the menu. If the menu takes a moment to load, just wait briefly until the list of available options appears clearly. From the Settings menu, find and click Export Data. This will take you to the Export area, where QuickBooks gives you options for downloading your company information. This section is useful when you want to move data out of QuickBooks Online or create files you can work with in other formats. When the export page opens, make sure all available options are toggled on. In other words, check that every category shown is enabled for export. This helps ensure that your file includes the full set of information available from this screen, rather than only a partial export. If any toggle is off, click it so it becomes active before moving on. It is a good idea to pause here and review the page carefully so nothing is missed. After confirming that everything is turned on, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will begin preparing the export file for download. Depending on the amount of data in your company, this may take a few moments. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location that is easy to remember, such as your desktop or a dedicated accounting folder. Once the file has downloaded, you can open it in Excel to review the exported information. Even if your end goal is to work with QuickBooks Desktop, it is helpful to quickly scan the file and confirm that the expected data is included. That way, you can catch missing information early and avoid repeating the process later. That's all it takes to export your QuickBooks Online company data from the Export page. Be sure to keep the downloaded file in a secure location, especially if it contains sensitive business records. With these steps completed, your export will be ready for the next stage of your workflow.